Campgrounds suck. The barking dogs, bad taste in water, and the generator running all night. Campgrounds suck. The screaming kids walking through your sight, and that long-term camper in the corner. Campgrounds suck. They really do. Campgrounds suck and smell like poo. Campgrounds suck. It's why I boondock. It's why I keep traveling, because campgrounds really suck. Campgrounds suck. They really do. Campgrounds suck and smell like poo. Campgrounds suck. It's why I boondock. It's why I keep traveling, because campgrounds really suck.